Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We're out planting hardy perennials today. They're the plants when you dig a hole, you put them in your garden, they're there for years and years to come. But there's plenty of stones in this area and roots and all sorts. But the digging spork is a fantastic tool to cut through soil. And if you haven't got one yet, get one, stick it in your wheelbarrow. It makes life so much easier in the garden. So we're planting a geranium tiny monster. Geranium tiny monster is wonderful. They start to flower around May and finish in September, so you get a great long spell of colour from geranium tiny monster. At the bottom of the planting hole, we're going to add some Super Thrive. And Super Thrive is a planting fertilizer that reduces transplant shock. Essential when you're planting your plants out in open ground. A slowly release for the plant as well, and get the plant off to a great start in life. So mix in a little bit of a handful of Super Thrive at the bottom. And then to spoil the plant, a little bit of SWELL compost mixed with the soil for underneath and back in around the plant. Now I'll show you geranium tiny monster. It's a great little tough. All these new modern geraniums are fantastic. So that's geranium tiny monster there. It's going to grow roughly about 30-35 centimeters and spread around 60 centimeters and will flower from May until September. They went into October last year. We got a great long spell. We kept feeding them with Flower Max and made a huge difference to them. Now, out he comes out of his pot. Roots are a bit tight. Needs a bit of teasing out. I'll just plant him level, the same depth as the surrounding soil. In he goes. And the wonderful thing, this job done, it'll be here for years and years to come, rewarding us with months of flowers every year. So put the label in there so you know who he is in the future. That's geranium tiny monster. From the proven winners range. Watch that PW, it makes a huge difference. And non-stop flowers for months every year. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.